When cleaning your hot spring hot tub filters, there are 3 options. First, turn off the power to your hot tub. Then, open the filter lid and remove the filter. For cleaning option 1, use a hose to rinse the filter. Cleaning option 2, use filter spray or degreaser, then rinse with a hose. For option 3, soak the filter with filter spray or degreaser overnight, then rinse with a hose. Now replace the filter and turn the power back on. Regular monthly cleaning will extend the life of your filter. When cleaning the filters, inspect for signs of wear and tear. If it's discolored or has worn rubber, it may need to be replaced.